Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here is how to save a file as PDF, Android. On the File tab, tap Print. If not already selected, tap Save as PDF on the drop-down list and then tap Save. Now tap on Save. Choose a location for your PDF, enter a new name, optional, and then tap Save. 29 September 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Top 5 Android PDF Creator Apps. Foxit PDF Creator. Foxit PDF Creator is an Android PDF creator app, and most people get to know this Android app from their desktop PDF reader. Sonic PDF Creator. PDF Maker. PDF Creator. Cam Scanner Phone PDF Creator.
Let's help you make your mark.
Tap the More menu at the top right corner of the Word app. You will get a screen like below. Choose Print from above menu. You will then open a new print screen as shown in below screenshot. Microsoft Word allows you to print out Word document using a wireless printer.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to find downloads on your Android device. Open the Android app drawer by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Look for the My Files or File Manager icon and tap it. Inside the My Files app, tap Downloads. The 16th of January 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Here's how to save as PDF on Android. Open the file or web page you need to print to PDF. Tap the 3 vertical dots icon on the top right. Tap Print. Tap Select Printer. Tap Save as PDF. Tap the Save icon. Now you can select the place where you want to save the file and tap Save. The 25th of October 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.